I informed the owner about this exhaust, but he never got back to me. The thing is, we know that the main silencer is blown up, but why did it blow up? A few people have said it could be the rear tailpipe blocked up, but how do we test it? Well, today I'm going to take this off using a few tools. I'm going to use a sawzall to cut the rear silencer off, you know, so I can do the flange in the shop, because I don't know if the owner wants to replace it, and I don't even know if it's blocked up. One of these little gizmos here, these are really good for getting the exhaust mounting rubbers off, and of course a bit of WD-40 just to ease the rubber and the pin so they pass out together, if you see what I mean, not pass out like faint. But anyway, I'm going to undo the bolts first. There's two newish bolts at the front, and then I'm just going to cut the silencer off, and then we'll come back and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so that's the exhaust off. It only took a few seconds, but I thought I'd give you the opportunity to show you how one of these little simple tools works for taking the rubber mountings off. Bingo! Just like that. Now, we're going to find out now if this silencer at the back, the rear silencer, was blocked. How are we going to do that? We're going to fill it with water. Why not use a smoke tester, Mike? Because the smoke tester is only looking for tiny holes. If water passes through this quite freely, we know then that the silencer, well, might be serviceable, or it was fumes that's got into the exhaust and blown it up into the silencer, the main silencer. Let's find out. Right, so we're in the shop. There's the pipe. I'm starting from this end rather than filling up the whole pipe with water. It's going to be the hose pipe. Now, I've just noticed a ding in there. Ooh. Well, there's water coming out. But slowly. Well, I could do with the work. Seems to be a bit stuck. The thing is, I don't know if this is a resonator box. I don't know what to think. I don't know really what to think. I mean, it isn't exactly in tip-top shape, but the flange is, it's not exactly Rolls-Royce condition, is it? Last night I went onto LR Direct to see how much a replacement system was for this, like catalytic converter behind, so that's the main silencer, and this rear silencer, and they were reasonably cheap from Britpart, but the shipping was, and the shipping and taxes was over $600. Now that doesn't make any sense. That's 600 Canadian dollars. From Atlantic British, you can get a stainless, I'm not sure if it's MPR or something like that, but you can get a stainless system exactly the same for $7.99 American and free shipping within the United States. So if you got it shipped up to Newport, you could get it shipped up to Newport for free. Newport is our cross-border town, and then somebody can go and pick it up. I don't know. It's a very difficult one. I wouldn't, on a car like that, it's a nice car, I wouldn't sort of really cheap out and put a Britpart one back on. But that's the cost of replacing parts for these older cars. It's very expensive now. The parts are cheap, but it's just the shipping that kills it. Now, here's a thought for you. You could take this down to an exhaust place here in town, and they have all the tools to manipulate a silencer and pipes to copy this. The downside is that it's in shitty steel. It's really crappy stuff because they need to get it to bend, and it's not mandrel bent. When you do mandrel bending, it's nice smooth bends like this, see? But if you do it on one of their machines, it's all like a lobster tail, it's all buckled up and stuff. It's not very nice. The water wasn't coming out of that system very well, but there again, is it full of fiberglass? I'm sorry I keep rambling on, but was it full of fiberglass? And did that get blocked up? Who knows?